Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this video you will get to know 3 types of fruit only very few learners are able to pronounce correctly. So check this out. The goal of this video is to learn the meaning and the pronunciation of these 3 types of fruit. The first fruit is called Marille. The word for Marille in English is apricot. In general, apricots play an important role in the Austrian culture and they are used in a lot of recipes and liquors. The next fruit is called Tsvetschke. The English word is plum. Besides, the Tsvetschke is famous for a special jam made of plums, and this is called Diendl. The last of these 3 fruits is Diendl or Diendlkirschen. It can be translated as coronel cherry and is often used for producing schnapps. Finally, we can sum up the 3 types of fruit. Marille is apricot, Tsvetschke is plum, and Diendl is coronel cherry. So, thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next tutorial.